Hey guys, I saw Daniel Cooper do this thing and I'm going to do similar, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. So I won't tell you what I'm putting in, but I'm going to do the same thing and I hope it turns out. So basically what he used was baby lotion. Let me just get it down to the bottom. Okay, so he put baby lotion in. And I hope it doesn't interfere with my resin. Just have to wait and see. Okay, so that's done. I've got my resin mixed up. I'm going to take a really dark brownie, what's it called? Mica powder. I'm going to put it in there. Oops. Mix it up. I think that needs to be a bit more big. I'll put some more in. And I think I'll have to put a tinge of black in, I think, to get it a little bit darker. Sticks tiny bit. Don't want it too dark. Okay, so I've got that mixed up. Actually quite a pretty, kind of quite a nice brown. Okay, so I'm gonna hide that. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I wanted it to be a surprise for you guys to see what's in it. So I poured it and hopefully everything goes well. I filled it as much as I can, but as you'll see, there's a little bit popping out from there. So I don't know, I may have to do a top coat or something to hide that. So we'll be back when it's all dried and demolded. See you soon. So here I'm trying it with Monster Clay. I got to give it one more go with the monster clay, see how we go. So I've already done the monster clay. I've put the item in. I'm just mixing my resin, and we'll just wait for the results. I'll talk soon. Okay, the clay didn't work. It all melted. I'm using monster clay, but it will come out once it gets cold. So we'll be back. So this is the end result. I've cleaned it all up. I used the monster clay, which is an oil-based clay, except that when the resin heated up, it melted. But I think that's cute. I'll have to take some side pictures. But apart from that one, I did this one yesterday, and I used the baby lotion for that one, and I put 2 little baby owls in there, and so when it stands, it actually can stand. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you a image of hang on. So basically it stands like this, and this one will stand like that, but I'm thinking maybe of putting maybe a little few flowers or something, because there's a little hole there that I've got to close up. Looks like they're sitting in a tree in the shape of a heart. I thought I'd give it a go. So the baby lotion in that one, I tried the clay in this one, and this was left from that's a little Buddha that I put into one of these plastic, because I didn't have a mold deep enough for him, but I think he looks cute. I'll just paint him up a bit, and that's it. What do you think? I think they're cute. So there we go. I hope Daniel Cooper likes this. His baby lotion effect. I'll see you guys later.